Slash summoned. Well, you could continue doing this, but this just for reference. You could continue going up and up and up and up and all the way up to the moon. Seriously, I hate ads. Come on, stop it. Get almost. X that? Well, yeah, you could continue going up and up, but yeah, I'm a bit too lazy to do that, but actually fun, not fun. For the video, I'll do it. If you're doing this in survival mode, I'm pretty sure you could just push it off or something. Or fishing hook it off? Wait, what? Wait, I forgot. Creative mode instantly breaks boats if you're fishing hooking them. Or I could use my brain and do this. After all, I don't think it's illegal to be smart, isn't it? It's not illegal to be smart, or is it? So let's see. Perfect. Now if I start placing boats. Oh yeah, I forgot. Boats are 2 blocks wide, not just only 1 block wide. I forgot. Hold on. Let me fix this quickly. Hey, you get out. You get out there, you get out. Wait. Where'd the boat go? Huh? Let me try that again. Or does it just break? Please tell me it just breaks. So yeah, now all I have to do is just keep on doing this again. And again. And again. And again. And again. Making raining boats. Problem is, they don't always land clean on top of each other, which is rainboat. Rainboat. I think it's out of boats here. So yeah, that's how you do it. And yeet. Well, board. Boom, I'm on top. This is probably the funniest staircase ever. See you next time, guys. Please try this out.